Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to review the latest smartphone Samsung A24 that is giving you super AMOLED display just in $200. So let's start with unboxing. The first thing you will notice when unboxing the Samsung A24 is another box inside the main box. Then there is smartphone keep aside, we will discuss it later, and in the corner you will find SIM ejector tool. Now let's open the second box in which you will find some documents, a Type-C to Type-C cable, but here you will not find any charger. So this was the box content. Now take a look on smartphone, but before that don't forget to press the subscribe and like button. Moving on to the design of the Samsung A24, the front of the phone features a water drop notch that is common in this price range, but bezels are thicker. Now moving toward ports and button, on the left side you will find the SIM tray that can be used for dual SIM card and one SD card, while on the bottom there is 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a Type-C port and speaker grill. On the right side there is volume rocker and power button which include fingerprint sensor as well, and at the top of the phone there is a secondary mic. Moving to the back of the smartphone, it has a glass-like finishing but it is actually made of plastic material. At the top left side you will find triple camera system that is similar to Samsung S series. Right of it there is flashlight, and moving to the bottom you will find Samsung branding as well. Talking about in-hand feel, smartphone weight is around about 195 gram and thickness is 8.3mm, so your in-hand feel will be very good. So overall design in this price range is totally value for money. Let's move toward display. The Samsung A24 boosts the 6.5 inches Super AMOLED display that supports full HD resolution with a 90Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness as well. That is very difficult to find in this price range. So overall display is top notch. In this price range you will not find AMOLED panel and 1000 nits peak brightness. Talking about performance under the hood, the Samsung A24 runs on Android 13 with One UI 5.1 out of the box, and it is the latest software of Samsung. It's powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset which is built on a 6nm technology. The phone has an 2.2 GHz clock speed and the graphics are handled by Mali G57 GPU. About storage and RAM, the phone comes with 128GB of internal storage and is available in two variants, one with 6GB of RAM and the other with 8GB of RAM, but it also has a dedicated micro SD card slot for expandable storage as well. Moving on to the camera, the Samsung A24 has a triple camera setup on the back which includes a 50MP main camera, 5MP ultra wide and 2MP macro lens as well. The main camera supports optical image stabilization and you will also find HDR and panorama as well. So in this price range you will find this type of image quality. And talking about video recording, you can do 1080p video on 30fps, and moving to the front you will find 13MP selfie camera and that can also record 1080p on 30fps. In terms of connectivity, the Samsung A24 supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and phone also has NFC, but this feature depends upon market and region. But here you will not find any infrared port. Moving towards last part of smartphone, that is battery. Here you will find 5000 mAh battery with this 25W fast charging support. So in this price range there are smartphone that is giving you very good fast charging, but you know Samsung is giving you just 25W charge. If we conclude our complete review, the Samsung A24 is a great mid-range smartphone with good display and good design, but in this price range you can check out OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite as well, that is giving you very good performance and good fast charging as well. And Samsung M14 also comes in this price range. You can check out these smartphones as well, but at the last please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.